National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 1 p.m. At 12:04 p.m., strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Colonial Beach to 20 nautical miles south of Westmoreland State Park, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and waterspouts possible. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally
About to hit Washington, D.C.
Locations impacted include Yokosuka River, Breton Bay, St. Clement Bay, Westmoreland State Park, mouth of the Potomac River, Cobb Island, Point Lookout, Swan Point, Colton's Point, Coles Point, Mexican Bay, St. George Island, Wicomico River, White Point Beach, Tall Timbers, Piney Point, and Colonial Beach. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for southern Maryland and adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.